Alright, hello everyone. Today my grandma's going to be playing Animal Jam. Are you excited, Grandma?
Oh yes, yes I am. I'll pick a rabbit. Where do I click? Jesus. Modern technology.
Okay, now press next.
Ah, cute! We got big ears. The better to hear you, my dear. Let's see.
Click the arrow buttons to pick a fun new name for your animal.
What could I name?
A boy or a girl. Then create a unique
Grandma?
username and password for your account.
How come they don't have old lady? I gotta put my age in there. Get the hell out of here.
No, you
I
don't.
want the world to know.
Just put something in
Alright, so
there.
what do I put? When I'm born?
Yeah, your birthday.
Day. I am my age is what my real age? 6.
6.
Wait, you put 99. I'm gonna put 99.
Alright, now you gotta think of a username.
Username. There are none.
You gotta
Pay for this?
No.
What the hell is that?
Welcome to your new home.
Oh,
My name is Peck, and I'd like to show you
Peck.
around.
Jesus Christ. Heck.
You gotta do the arrow keys, or you can use the mouse.
Oh, I got a lot of soup here, Grandma.
Yeah, well, some for you and some for Dad.
You gotta go over there.
How? Bring the
You
rabbit
gotta,
down?
no, you gotta actually click on it.
There he goes.
No. You gotta.
Follow me.
Follow me. I'm coming. What the hell?
You don't have to drag it. You just have to click
Here
on
in
it.
Japan, everyone has their own unique style. Let's start by
You talking to me?
customizing yours.
Yeah. You gotta click on the bunny.
Go ahead and click on your animal. You can choose and combine
Find
lots
lots
of
of
different
different
colors.
colors. Ooh, you gotta make a
Change
funny
the
bunny,
shape
you mean?
and color of your eyes. And you can create lots of different patterns in your bird. Why don't you give it a try?
Okay.
When you are happy with your new look, click on the X button in the corner to exit.
Well, I gotta design this rabbit, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, blue rabbit. Ooh. One with the pink one. Nice, kind of dark.
When you are happy with your new look,
Oh, shut up! I'm still going here.
in the corner to exit.
Mind your business. Bitch. Oh, kind of like that. All right. Now
You can
what's
change
this
the
for?
eyes. No.
When you are happy with your new look,
There
click
you
on the
go.
X button in the corner to exit.
Where?
Oh, it's over there.
Color me.
Everyone seems to love the new
What the hell
you.
is he?
How do you feel about it?
What happened to this guy? Got
Click
hurt?
it.
Oh,
To
what was
show
it? Change the
others how you're
face?
feeling,
Yeah, pick on how you feel. How
How I
do you
feel
and then
today?
choose your favorite emote.
I feel like an
I
ice cream
know
cone.
just what you mean. Hey, look! Free stuff!
Free stuff. They're all gonna attack
feel?
me.
You gotta click on it.
Oh, this is free. What's this alligator jump? Look at him. Cool. Click to get your treasure. Okay. What the hell is that? Treasure.
They're
Oh.
gems.
Oh, I got a lot of
Look at
gems.
all those gems!
Yeah, look at him.
How many did you
Nice.
find?
I don't know, remember. Oh, let me see.
You gotta click up there.
7. 7. Oh.
Lucky you!
Oh, lucky me. Yeah.
Fun ways to get
I'm gonna play with that.
for your mom.
Shit.
Along with lots of places to set them.
Party club. Now I can have. If I cry if you don't give me the rates. This is a little bit mean. What do I do now? Where
You
oh,
just
look at that
move
guy.
around. You gotta move around.
Where am I? Oh,
You're in the crowd. You gotta move.
I am? I can't find me.
You're right
Oh,
there.
there I am. Trade me Foxy Fox hat. Give me the hat.
All right, let's get some
Oh,
clothes.
shit.
Let's get some clothes. Go to the sale.
I want to change his color. Can you change it?
Yeah,
Sale.
click on him. You can.
Huh. New jammer. Oh, I get one of these things.
Yeah.
Don't you think that it's boring how people talk? Making smart with their words again. Well, I'm bored. Because I'm doing this for the thrill of it, killing it. Never not chasing a million things I want. And I am only as young as the minute is full of it. Getting pumped up on the little bright things
Oh, I see. Where's that?
That's the. You
Oh,
just
we
changed
changed
the
the
color.
color.
Yeah. Oh, let's go to your house. That's your house.
Oh, looks better.
Welcome to your den. Your own place in Jamada called home.
Oh
Of
boy.
course, no den is complete until it is decorated.
I gotta decorate the den?
Yeah.
Then if I gotta dress myself, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. Oh, what's this?
It tells you what to do.
These
Okay.
are your den items.
Click on the
Picture
picture
of
to
an
place
item
it.
to place
Well,
it
I don't
in
give
your
you much
den.
shit, but I look, 2 things. The hell, a table and what's that?
A rug.
I'll get a rug and then I'll get a
You
table.
can move items
Drag
around
them
by
to move
clicking
them. No,
You're
don't.
doing
No,
great.
click
Oh.
on it. No,
I
you
have
gotta
a gift for you.
Okay. What?
click.
Damn, this shit's getting more
No,
expensive.
you
I
can
got
shop
nothing.
for
Oh,
new
what's
den items right here. Wow!
Oh,
Look at
wow,
all
look
those
at
great
this.
den items. You can click on any item. to
I don't have
play
enough for
with.
the couch, right?
Yeah, you do. You have 1,000.
If you like the way an item
You can
looks,
change the color. Oh no.
click the
Yeah.
buy button
Yeah,
to
you can
purchase
change
it.
color.
Can I?
When you're done
Yeah.
shopping, click on the X button to exit the shop.
Oh. Okay, now what?
You can buy something else.
Tree, a cushion, a mat, and sit down right. What color? Oh, purple is good.
You should buy another one.
Oh, to have 2?
Yeah. Okay, now you can exit it. Alright, now you.
Where's my furniture?
Now
You
that
get
you
here?
know how,
It's there.
you can
Delivered?
decorate your
Oh.
den however you'd like. Take these gems.
Oh, so you drag this in there?
No, you gotta click on the game. The little controller.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ooh, the claw. Oh, is that where you get stuff out?
Yeah, the claw machine.
Is it any fun?
I guess.
Let's do that. Spend 5 gems. Well, I'm gonna be broke by the time this game's over.
You gotta move the arrows and then press the down when you're ready. You didn't get anything.
Oh, come on, almost. Look at this. Try again. Should I?
Yeah.
How many gems I got left?
You have 1,000 something.
Oh, how do you get gems?
play games?
Oh.
Except this game you don't get any. You get arrows.
How do you go down? You can't?
Press the arrow. The red one.
No, but how you can't get down closer to it? No, huh? Let's see. Oh, this is a chip. I'm not playing no more. Get out of here.
Okay, let's play a different game.
Yeah. Jammer Derby? What the heck is this, Hedgehog?
Yeah.
You know how to play any of these?
Yeah, I know how to play all of them.
Oh, well, give me one that I know what to do. Overflow?
Probably trivia.
Temple Trivia.
Press play.
Oh, should I join it? What are baby wolves called? Pups. In an ant, most of the ants are stupid. Buffalo chips are pieces of dried bone. How many rows of teeth do sharks have? Oh God, I'd say a lot.
Dang.
What is an aardvark main food? Oh, to eat. Termites. What's the clicking? Oh.
Time's out. It's only the first round.
But did I get anything?
It's loading.
No?
You got first place.
Yes, look at
Oh
that.
no, just kidding. You didn't. You got 7th.
Oh, why? I answered all the questions. Keep playing game you lied to me. I was so excited. Oh, second. this box?
8th.
8. I'm getting worse.
Yeah. All right. We're done.
I think so. That was fun.
Okay. So thank you everyone for watching. Grandma, did you have fun?
Oh yes, I did. Just kicking me out now. We're done.
No, just say bye.
Oh, goodbye. You should say goodbye 20 minutes ago before I started cursing.
All right.
Yeah, you
bye.
can have your seat back.